How to crack Nift Situation Test. Nift Situation Test is of 2 hours, carrying 20% weightage and 100 total marks. So what is a Nift Situation Test? So it is a test which is carried out to check your skills, that is creative ability, material handling and idea conceptualization. So basically there are 4 key points for Nift Situation Test preparation. These points are: number one, material handling skills. Different materials have different properties and hence it is difficult to deal with all of them. So you need to practice a lot with different materials in order to make a good object from them. Second, idea and implementation. You need to come up with something very creative, something out of the box, and implementing it is also equally important. Third, presentation. You'll have to communicate your idea, your object, your product to the judges. The communication will be in English, hence, you'll have to have a good command over English language. Last but not the least, creative write-up. You will have to come up with very creative content that is attractive to the judges and it will help you to get good marks. How to prepare for Nift situation test? So first, get your hands on various materials. Try to work with all sorts of different materials like thermocol, wooden stick, toothpicks, cardboard, etc. Try to create different objects. Try to use various tools. Keep a time track and manage to make objects within that time frame. It is very important and it will only come through practice. How BRDS can help you with Nift situation test? BRDS has come up with Nift Situation Test DVD pack. So this pack covers situation test preparation. It covers studio test, interview and portfolio preparation as well. It is prepared by Nift alumni and it is presented by Gaurav Juyal, an Canadian and host of Art Attack show on Disney Channel. So this is a workbook covering all aspects of situation test, last 17 years Nift original papers and 10 mock test papers. It also includes 50 situation test practice exercise, 100 material handling video lessons, and many ebooks. It is a material kit free for students to practice at home, 20 plus materials to give you real situation test experience, and a lot more. You can avail this BRDS Nift Situation Test DVD pack at Amazon and on the official website. So friends, this is it about Nift Situation Test. Do put your queries on the comment box below. Do share, like and subscribe our channel.